Hello everyone, this is Helena. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. Today is a very special day because, as you might have seen, there are ads on my videos, and especially this one, because I am, as of today, officially monetized on YouTube. And it happened in only 50 days, and that's just such a short period of time that I almost couldn't believe it. Like, I had set my goal very high for myself when I aimed to be officially monetized like before New Year 2020. But to do it in 50 days, I honestly didn't think that I would be able to do it that fast. But in any way, there are a few things that might have helped and, well, obviously did help. So I'm going to tell you how I got monetized in 50 days. So here's what my, this is a screenshot from my YouTube Creator Studio account. And as you can see down here, this screenshot was taken the 22nd of June. Now, to rewind a little bit, I decided back in May 2020 that I wanted to create YouTube videos. It suddenly dawned on me that you can earn so much passive income on AdSense. So I thought I must give this a try because as an entrepreneur, I teach women how to earn money online and, most importantly, how to create passive income streams. And I don't really know why, but for such a long time, I just decided not to do YouTube videos. And now, after that, I've published several online courses. I felt that, okay, maybe I should do them because this is such a great way to reach out to other countries. As you can hear from my accent, I'm Swedish, so I have like a Swedish crowd, but I don't have a following at all in any other countries. So this would be like a great way for me to expand my business abroad, and most importantly into the English-speaking countries. So I had this idea in my head about YouTube and getting monetized and sort of getting my journey started, but I really didn't expect it to go this fast. So that was sort of the background, and I had about 50 subscribers at the time in May. This YouTube account had been just sitting basically around with nothing more than, you know, some video about a book release that I had like a few years ago. It was basically, I wasn't using this account. So then I decided in May that, okay, let's do this. I can do this. So that's how it started. So I went from 50 subscribers more or less in May, and then the 22nd of June I had 745 subscribers. So that was pretty good. I was pretty pumped about that. And then I had 2,812 public watch hours. That was also something that surprised me, because in the beginning, when you hear that you're supposed to have 4,000 watch hours, that just seems like, no, this is going to take me, this is going to take me a long time. But to my surprise, it would actually be the other way around. Like, let me see. Let me show you here what happened. The 1st of July, less than a week ago, I had reached more than 4,000 watch hours. I mean, that was just such a huge surprise for me that this was even possible, to reach all these watch hours. I mean, you have probably done the calculations, like you will translate your watch hours into minutes, meaning that you need 240,000 minutes, which sounds like this ridiculous amount of minutes. But in any way, this is what happened. Like, I was able to get the watch hours before I would actually get the subscribers. And there's a very good reason for that, which I will tell you about in just a moment. But in any way, what happened then, of course, this Saturday, the 4th of July, I hit the goals. I had my 1,000 subscribers and I had more than 4,000 watch hours. So then I applied for the YouTube Partner Program. And by the way, if anyone is wondering, the way that you can have your sort of countdown shown is basically going into your YouTube studio and clicking monetization, and then you will see this page of you know, like a countdown for your first goal, when you can apply, and then you hit apply. And what happens then is that you go through basically 3 steps. So the first step is that you need to review the YouTube Partner Program terms. And this is basically YouTube's way of informing you and binding you to the fact that you have written and given your consent and promised that you will not put up any material that can be offending in any way. And also it's giving you some pretty interesting information when it comes to your revenue, like how much are they going to pay you and how much will they actually keep from what you are earning. So although this is in Swedish, you can still see the numbers. YouTube is going to pay you 55% of your net revenue. And that means that YouTube will keep 45%. Now, YouTube is a great platform. It's huge and it's free to start with. So I'm happy to share my revenue with YouTube. And I feel that there is so much potential here. And yeah, I'm just happy to share that with them. So once you have that step done, then you move on to step number 2, which is basically sign up for Google AdSense. And honestly, this should not be step number 2, this should be step number 0 or below 0, because if you do not have a Google AdSense account when you're supposed to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, then this is gonna slow you down, because it takes a little time until you have your Google AdSense account set up, because you need to confirm. They will actually send you a post mail. They will send you that with a PIN code that you have to insert into your Google AdSense account to verify that you are you and you are actually living where you stated in your Google AdSense account. And you also need to fill in your bank account information, which is pretty important because that's where they will actually insert your money. So once you have the Google AdSense, it's so much easier to get this process going. So if you're just getting started and you don't have the Google AdSense account, then make sure that you actually sign up for that now, if not yesterday, because then it's going to be such a more it's going to be faster for you. That's why maybe it was so fast for me. I mean, it's just 2 days from applying for the partner program to connecting my Google AdSense account with this application for the YouTube partner program to getting accepted. So I was accepted today, the 6th of July, and I applied the 4th of July. So that was really quick. Now I'm going to show you, just so you don't get confused. This is my my YouTube account, real time. As you can see down here, it's the 6th of July, and yeah, it's evening when I'm recording this. And if we have a look at my channel, you can see, as I told you, it's been quiet. Nothing happened. Nothing, didn't pay attention at all to this platform. And then May 17th, that's when I decided to just start publishing my videos. And the way I did it was that I would actually publish tarot card readings, because I know that it's a popular theme. We don't have much of it in Sweden, so I would do it in Swedish. And then as I did readings for the zodiac signs, or the sun signs, there are 12 signs in the zodiac. So obviously I would have to do like these tarot readings for 12 signs, and that would be like a binge production of videos. So I would just, you know, try to publish as many videos as possible. And here you can see that I had 3 videos published. And then I had another one. I actually did something also in English, but mostly in Swedish. And I had a few more. And here I had +9, which is when I published all of the 12 signs. This was like my summer tarot. And more tarot. And yeah, I had the midsummer tarot. And I had stuff that I knew would be sort of interesting just for that moment. Like for midsummer here, it's just you know, that one night or one evening during the year when people would be so interested in this. And yeah, I would just keep on publishing as much as I could. Here I had one in English, like the lunar eclipse that we had just a few days ago, the 4th or the 5th of July. I mean, I knew that these subjects were really popular and people would actually go inside YouTube and search for this, what's going on with the lunar eclipse, etc. So this is what I would do. And the reason that I got my watch hours up so quickly was that I was actually able to publish a lot of videos, but I also made sure to always publish videos that were longer than 10 minutes. And the reason for that, the reasons are 2 actually. First, I knew that even if I wouldn't be able to have like a high retention rate, meaning how long would they actually stay with and watch my video, I knew that if I had like a +10 minute video, at least I would get maybe 2, 3, even 5 minutes for each person that started to watch it, which is pretty good. So that would earn me minutes if you'd like. And then also I had done like so much research before I started producing my videos and really aiming to get monetized. I had heard that once you have plus 10 minutes videos, then you're actually allowed to put on more than one ad on your video. So that means that instead of having just sort of one ad giving you revenue, then you can have 2 ads. You can even have more now, because as long as you have more than 10 minutes, you can put in more videos. So that was obviously something that I aimed for. Like, okay, so I will only produce videos that are longer than 10 minutes because it will benefit my watch hours when I'm trying to meet with a YouTube partner requirements. And then in the long term, as long as I post videos that are long lasting, you know, they're going to be like they're not going to die because it's past us now. I would produce the summer tarot, and we're in July now, but my summer tarot actually covers even August, so I know that there is still some life length to my video. And if they're long and if I'm able to monetize, then yeah, I will get up the watch hours, meaning that I will have more ad revenue. So that was something that really helped me. So if you're getting started, make sure that you have plus 10-minute long videos, and then yeah, just aim for that all the time, and try to go with something that is you know, a subject that people are really talking about right now, because that's going to help you. Now, I do have an astrology blog here in Sweden, so I was also able to ask my followers to please come and watch my YouTube videos. And if you like this, I mean, please just subscribe and you know, support my work. And you know, they will be happy to do that. So if you do have a blog, or you have a Facebook page, or you have a Twitter account or an Instagram page, I mean, make sure that you're telling your followers all the time about this and how happy you are and how grateful you are that they will actually subscribe to your channel and listen to what you have to say. And you can write these little teasers everywhere, like in your social media channels. So this is like a great way of getting that extra boost to your channel, making it easier for you to actually get the watch hours up really fast. So this is basically the reasons for my fast success, if you'd like to call it that way, but at least I do, because I didn't expect this to be such a quick journey. So this is gonna be like the start of my journey also here on YouTube, where I will keep posting about how I did my first month, how much I earned, when will I have my first payout, because obviously you need to reach a certain threshold. I believe it's in US it's $100 in your AdSense account, and that's when you will begin to see the money coming into your bank account. So I will be posting more videos on how I will be doing, and also some tricks and some hacks for earning more, even though it might be a small channel. Because from what I've done or what I've seen from research is that you can actually earn quite a lot of money even if you're a smaller channel. It's just a matter about niching down and finding your little place here on YouTube. So I look forward to posting more videos about this, and if you'd like this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will get notifications whenever I post something new. If you have any questions, yeah, just write it in the comments below, and I'm also posting the link to my website in case you want to read more about me. So now take care of yourselves, and I look forward to creating more content for you again. Bye!